Majeurs Academy, a pioneering Pan-African furniture manufacturing training institute, is thrilled to announce the graduation ceremony of its latest cohort of 15 highly skilled artisans. This event marks a significant milestone in the lives of these young professionals who have successfully completed a rigorous program encompassing furniture design, carpentry, and upholstery. Majeurs Academy is dedicated to nurturing a new generation of furniture manufacturing leaders, equipping them with the practical skills and theoretical knowledge necessary to thrive in the dynamic African market. This graduation not only celebrates their individual achievements but also signifies the Academy's commitment to fostering excellence and innovation within the furniture industry.
My name is Torobong Emmanuel. I'm a student of Majeurs Academy, graduating student of Majeurs Academy. So my journey throughout my stay in Majeurs Academy has been actually wonderful, and I give God the glory. Everything about it, especially the upholstery aspect, that is the padding, the foaming of the furniture and the sofa. So all those things is what we've learned, and I've learned how to use different machines that I'm like, wow, this is amazing. If I go to any place, if I stand at any organization or firm, I can boldly say, yes, I can use this, I can operate this, and all thanks to our teachers and trainers and the academy as well. So the next step is moving forward to becoming the person that I'm dreaming to become. A great woman in this furniture business, to own my own firm, and also train and impart what I've learned on other people as well,
Guys, today for me is a very monumental day, and I can't help but feel this deep sense of pride.
The graduation ceremony will showcase the culmination of months of intensive training, highlighting the exceptional talent and dedication of these graduating students. Attendees will witness firsthand the quality of their craftsmanship and the innovative designs they have developed. Majeurs Academy believes in the transformative power of hands-on education, providing a platform for aspiring artisans to hone their skills and realize their potential. By focusing on practical application and industry-relevant techniques, the Academy prepares its graduates to immediately contribute to the growth and development of the furniture manufacturing sector.
Whatever it is that we were doing in this present moment was not going to be sustainable. When I think about the industry at large, and I think about the manufacturers, and I think about, 20 years from now, 30 years from now, 50 years from now, organizations and companies and manufacturers that can truly build brands that last from generation to generation, which is fundamentally what I'm used to, having grown up in England. There is a longevity that comes with companies in the manufacturing sector that really speaks to the quality of the work and the demand of the work globally. When I'm manufacturing in Nigeria, I don't just think about what I'm manufacturing today. I'm thinking about the world at large. How can we get these fantastic products that we put so much energy into? How can we get them on platforms globally? And when you look at where we're standing and what we're doing, it doesn't seem feasible. You can see the shortages, you can see the gaps. And the biggest gap really is the human capital. The average artisan is 42 years old in a manufacturing firm. At 42 years old, that basically tells you that we're not training anywhere near enough young people. We're not investing in them. We're not investing into their futures. And if you look at the 48% unemployment, percentages and numbers in Nigeria, it's really worrying. It's very concerning. As a young person myself starting a business, what is the future of my business when I don't have people at the realms of the production lines? What's the future of my business when I don't have skills locally that I can depend on, and I'm forced to have to import expatriates to do jobs that I know for sure sure that the locals can in fact do, and in some instances even do better if given the same level of exposure to machinery, to technology, to resource, to skills acquisition, right? And that's really the reason why we began Majeurs Academy, because I looked into the 20 years from now, the 50 years from now, and I didn't see how we were going to get there. So in order for us to get there and to give ourselves the fighting chance of doing so, we had to take action today. So this graduation really is us taking that action today and really putting our money, our effort, our intentionality where our mouth is, and saying that if we're really going to be dedicated to this, we need to act. And so this is why we're here. We really believe in our young people. I've seen young people from all around the world. We see the advantages that they're given, and I believe with a fraction of what they're exposed to, our young people can do far more.
The furniture industry in Africa presents a wealth of opportunities for skilled professionals. With a growing population and increasing demand for quality furniture, there is a significant need for trained artisans who can meet the evolving needs of the market. Majeurs Academy's graduates are well positioned to capitalize on these opportunities, equipped with the expertise to design, create, and deliver exceptional furniture products. This graduation underscores the Academy's role in bridging the skills gap and empowering young people to build successful careers in a thriving industry.
My name is Kemal Onoha. I'm the Dean of Faculty at Majeurs Academy, and basically what we do at Majeurs Academy is to empower young Nigerians, young people with skills in furniture making. So it's beyond formal education. We're taking a step further into empowering Nigerians to gain skills that can help them increase their economic value. All right. So what we do at the academy is basically get students or get Nigerian youths from different parts of the country to come to the academy, learn the trainings for 6 months, and after 6 months they go into another 6 months of internship. So that's a 1-year program, and we're very sure that after the 1-year program we also go a step further to prepare opportunities for them to get funded, for those of them who want to start their businesses, who want to take it a step further to own their own furniture business. Because what we do is we see that there's a gap in the manufacturing space, especially in the furniture space. We do not have artisans in the countries who could do something that is really standard, that can meet global standard. And so that's the transformation that we are doing at Majeurs Academy, taking it one step at a time to ensure that we showcase our African culture and our African taste and style to the world through our handcrafted furnitures at Majeurs Academy. My name is Kemal Onoha. I'm the Dean of Faculty.
By investing in the training and development of these talented individuals, Majeurs Academy is contributing to the sustainable growth of the African furniture manufacturing sector. The graduates represent the future of the industry, bringing fresh perspectives and innovative approaches to furniture design and production. We invite you to join us in celebrating their achievements and recognizing the immense potential that lies within the African furniture industry.